Hey you guys, I wanted to pop on here real quick and say hello and also to check in. It's been a while. I have had 6 babies. Tennessee has had a fever for like 6 days and it's just, she's not a happy camper. She was up all night with a tummy ache. So poor thing. But that is what I have been totally momming. And I wanted to let some of you guys know because I've wrote it on all of our socials, Facebook and Instagram, but I haven't really put it into a video. So I want to let you guys know, go sign up for our newsletter. I am starting the structure of writing a weekly newsletter filled with just kind of inside stuff about our family, what financial tips, things like that. It's just kind of, you know, kind of everything, guys. That's kind of how we are, but I'm really excited for it. I have all of these ideas, but I need you to sign up for our newsletter to receive it. So I will leave the link down below to our newsletter. I just wanted to say hi and pop on. And also with that newsletter, when you sign up next week, guys, we are picking 4 random people to receive a full budget pack, which is $25, and then cash envelope set from our Etsy shop of any choice that you want. So that's $20, so about $45. We're picking 4 people just to celebrate the new website and all of the newness that we have going on. We are so excited for what's to come, but we want to interact with you guys through email a lot more. So social media can be noisy for all of us, and it's just a great way to have a direct line to you, and you guys could always respond to our emails and write us back. So I'm excited. So go and click that link down below, go sign up for our newsletter. We will not send you harassing stuff, I promise, and it will be of high value. So we won't send anything that's like, you know, garbage or anything like that. We hate junk email. But also when you sign up for the newsletter, you're in for the 4 random people to win our goodies, but you're also going to get started on, you'll receive some emails automatically from us. And what those are is to kind of just give you a snapshot currently of where you are financially and then help you with a plan. And then there's an extra, those of you who signed up to our list, there's an extra surprise in there. So through our emails, we will be including like freebies and extra surprises just to help motivate you guys and help inspire that we just want you to know that we're in your corner. So anyway, lots of good stuff. There is really a lot of good stuff on our newsletter and it's totally worth it. So I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. We will be uploading a dinner vlog soon, so stay tuned for that. And I do owe you a couple videos. I know, but sick babies. So anyway, hope you guys are well. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.